there! Welcome back. We're really glad you could join us for another Food of the Month cooking demonstration brought to you by San Juan College Cooks in the Food for Thought program. My name is Sandy Mascarenas. I'm the Food for Thought coordinator. We have Anissa right here, and we have Tia behind the camera. Together we're the Food for Thought team. Our goal is to bring a healthy, simple, delicious recipe to our San Juan College students. Today we're introducing our three-part series utilizing items out of a food box. There are times in our lives when we all need a little bit of help. There are local pantries in our community that provide assistance to those in need with food. We thought this would be a great segment to spotlight nutritious pantry staples that many of us are unfamiliar with. To start off the year, our food of the month is legumes: beans, lentils, peas. Our spotlight today is garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas.
We will be preparing a delicious, warm, and savory soup called a classic Spanish chickpea soup. Yep, you heard it here, folks. It is affordable, accessible, and easy to cook. It has an aromatic smell, full of delight, and packed with nutrition. Before we get started, I'd like to share some facts about the chickpea. They are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, in addition to containing fiber and protein. By adding chickpeas to your meals, it can aid in weight management in terms of keeping you full. It is also rich in plant protein that can improve digestion and reduce risk of disease. Don't be shy, eat a chickpea. Displayed on the table, you'll see the ingredients for this affordable, delicious meal. You'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup of chopped peeled potatoes, 1 15-ounce can fire roasted diced tomatoes, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable stock, 3 cups of garbanzo beans, 2 bay leaves, 1 sprig of fresh rosemary, salt and pepper to taste. We'll be using the quick soak method to cook dry chickpeas. First, we will toss the dry beans into a large pot and submerge the chickpeas under water and boil for 5 minutes. Be sure to add 1 bay leaf, 1 clove of garlic. Then you will take the pot off the heat and cover. Let it sit for about an hour. Rinse and remove and on to cooking. Once chickpeas are prepped and cooked, you will then mince your garlic, chop your celery, carrots, onion, and 1 cup of peeled potatoes. Next, you will heat the stock pot to medium-high. Add olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the onion, celery, carrots, potatoes, and garlic. Season with salt and saute until the onions are translucent for about 5 minutes. Add your broth, seasonings, and chickpeas and bring to a simmer. Cover the pot and continue to cook until the potatoes are tender, about 10 to 15 minutes. Before serving, remove bay leaf and rosemary and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. That's it for our monthly San Juan College Cooks Food for Thought demonstration video. We hope you enjoyed and will try our recipes. Look out for the second video of our 3-part series. We'll be showcasing delicious casseroles you can make out of a food box. We would also like to give a shout out to and a huge thanks to the Harvest Food Hub, local farmers, and media services for their help and support in creating these videos. Until next time, see you again!